Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to convert your presentation on the Keynote application to a PDF file using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Open. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this. Now go to Open. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, now let's go to File, go to Export to, click on PDF, and then we can click on the options if we wish to. Include presenter notes, print each stage of bills. If we wish to require a password to open, that will be something for the future. Include the slides, comments, whatnot. Let's click on Next. This will now tell us where the file itself will be saved. We'll just leave it to the desktop. Now click on Export. We can change the name of the presentation itself. Click on Export. This should now have exported to the desktop. Yes, it has. Let's now minimize the Keynote application for the moment. Go to the desktop, go to presentation.pdf. We can right click, open with, or just double click to open up with preview, and there we go. That's the presentation that we created on the Keynote application, now exported as a PDF file on the Mac computer, ready for us to present to the audience. Let's now quit preview. Let's now quit the Keynote application. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.